How to get a student visa for Germany. Hi, I am Monica, and in just a minute, I'm going to tell you about the most important visa requirements to get a student visa for Germany for international students from non-EU countries like India, Russia, China, Pakistan, Philippines, Nepal, Nigeria, Egypt, Cameroon, etc. Please watch the video to the end, and you will learn, not only the best tips and tricks, when applying for a German student visa, but also all the critical details you need on how to avoid a visa rejection as an international student, and apply successfully, and get a student visa to study in Germany. But first, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any future tips or tricks about Germany. We are preparing much more interesting content for this, and other popular topics, like how to study in Germany for free, how much does it cost to study in Germany, how to avoid a visa rejection, how do you appeal against a German visa refusal, and much more. Okay, let's start. How to apply for a student visa for Germany. Applicants for German student visas should submit their applications as early as possible, and at least 3 months before they plan to move to Germany. To accomplish this, you should contact your local German consulate or embassy. What documents do I need? In general, you need the following documents. Number 1, completed application form. Number 2, valid passport. Your German visa application should be submitted with a passport, valid for at least another year at the time. Additionally, passports should have at least 2 blank pages. Number 3, you will need 2 photographs. Number 4, you need to show proof of admittance to the study course or the preparatory college, original, and 2 copies. Number 5, transcript of your academic records. Number 6, certificate of German language. You need to provide proof of your German language proficiency, or evidence that you intend to take a language course in Germany, only valid if your study later will be in German language. Number 7, financial resources. Demonstrate that you have the financial resources to support yourself during your stay in Germany, currently needed €8,700 per year. Depositing a security payment into a blocked bank account is one of the ways of proving that you have the money to study in Germany. A blocked bank account means that the money cannot be withdrawn until you are in Germany. Number 8 is critical. You need a proof of sufficient health insurance coverage. We recommend the affordable tariffs from the Hans & Merker Insurance Group in Hamburg, starting at only €28 per month, and up to 5 years. Hans & Merker is one of the largest insurance companies in Germany, focusing on international students in Germany. The student tariff starts at only €28 per month. For details and online application, please check the link in the video description below. Number 9. You will need a statement of the authenticity of the documents submitted. Number 10. Proof that you have no criminal records. Depending on the embassy, you may also need to submit a proof that you have no criminal records. Important, if you plan to study in Germany longer than 90 days, you should apply for a national student visa rather than a Schengen visa. Because a Schengen visa gives you only 3 months stay in Germany. In the next videos, we will discuss in more details all possible reasons for visa rejection, and, most important, we will explain exactly how to avoid a visa rejection, and how do you appeal against a German visa refusal, if needed. Make sure you subscribe now, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any future tips and tricks. If you have any questions about this, or any other topics around your future study in Germany, or you just want to share your experience getting a German student visa, please share in the comments below. I'm curious, which of the topics in this video was the most interesting to you? Please share in the comments below.
And by the way, if you need cheap health insurance for Germany, starting at only €28 per month, please check the link in the video description below. We recommend the affordable tariffs from the Hansa Merkur Insurance Group in Hamburg. It is one of Germany's largest insurance companies, focusing on international students in Germany. The insurance starts at only €28 per month. Please check the link in the video description below.